Next up is a classic with a twist. Avocado toast, topped with a perfectly poached egg. Let's begin by toasting a slice of whole grain bread. Whole grains are full of fiber and can help to control your blood sugar levels throughout the day. While we wait for the toast to reach that perfect golden brown, let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the avocado. The avocado, often referred to as a superfood, is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and various important nutrients. It's also incredibly versatile and delicious. To prepare the avocado, cut it in half and remove the pit. Then scoop out the flesh and pop it into a bowl. With a fork, mash it up until it's almost smooth, leaving a few chunks for texture. Add a pinch of salt, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, and a dash of chili flakes for a bit of heat. Mix it all together until well combined. Now, let's move on to the poached egg. Poaching is a great way to cook eggs without adding any extra fat. First, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer. Crack your egg into a small bowl and then gently slide the egg into the simmering water. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk, or longer if you prefer your yolks more set. By now, your toast should be ready. Generously slather your mashed avocado onto your toasted bread, spreading it out evenly. Then carefully place your poached egg on top. Sprinkle with a bit of salt and pepper to taste, and there you have it. Avocado toast with a poached egg. The creaminess of the avocado, the richness of the egg, and the crunch of the toast create a symphony of textures and flavors that's incredibly satisfying. Not to mention, this dish is packed with protein from the egg, healthy fats from the avocado, and complex carbs from the whole grain toast.